Samsung is unpacking, and we're getting closer to the big debut of the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung's next big thing. While Apple is busy delivering a 60Hz display on the iPhone in 2023 and 2024, Samsung is establishing a new standard for the display on the whole Galaxy S24 series. As previously stated, the S24 series will be 25% brighter than the iPhone 15 range, with all S24 models coming in at 2,500 nits. According to the most recent leaks, Samsung is poised to improve things even further. Previously, Samsung has kept their LTPO display refresher technology exclusive to the S24 Ultra. Not only do we get dynamic refresh trade in terms of usage, but we also get massive improvements in battery life. But things are changing as Samsung could bring the LTPO display to the entire Galaxy S24 series, bringing massive and much-needed improvements to the battery life, especially for the vanilla Galaxy S24 model. The LTPO screen will enable the refresh rate to be as low as feasible under 1 Hz, completely unleashing the S24 and S24 Plus's tremendous battery life potential. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's chip may be the finest in any smartphone. According to ICE Universe, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is a pretty beast of a chip, beating the Apple A17 Pro chip, which is very strong and the strongest we have right now, but it struggles to maintain that sustained performance for a very long time. However, it appears that Qualcomm has figured it out with the 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip. Again, coming for all S24 Ultra variants in all areas, along with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Samsung will undoubtedly bring their finest cooling system to ensure we receive the greatest performance without any compromises. With the 200-megapixel sensor in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung may be implementing their new Zoom Anywhere image sensor technology. This was stated a week ago, along with the Exynos 2400 chip, that Samsung has allowed a new sort of zoom experience, allowing users to shoot images of moving objects at 1x to 4x magnification without sacrificing image quality. This is in addition to the new AI-based tracking technology that tracks and captures items automatically. I have to say that Samsung will be unlocking the true potential of that 200-megapixel sensor on the S24 Ultra, along with the latest image ISP upgrades that are coming with the next generation of chips. Plus, don't forget Samsung's most controversial zoom move is also coming as they implement a new 5x zoom that has a larger sensor size as well as a bigger aperture, potentially even beating the 10x zoom that we have on the S23 Ultra. But only time will tell because there are mixed reviews. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.